Hey guys, kamusta? So, this is our third day here in Taiwan. The plan for today is just really get lost in the city. Wala kaming exclusive tour. Dini-DIY namin, actually kagabi ko pa yan pinagplanuhan. So, for today, we're going to the National Museum. Then, Taipei Zoo in Maokong. Oh, Maokong Gondola, yung cable car nila. And then, Longshan Temple. So we're just really gonna use our skills in following direction ng map, ng Navi, Google Map, and really just the goal is get lost in the city. Ginawa namin tong DIY kasi gusto namin ngayon parang hawak namin yung oras namin. And then tomorrow tour ulit katulad ng ginawa namin kahapon. So ayun, samahan nyo kami guys. Let's go. Let's get lost. Yun, so first stop, National Museum. Medyo maganda panahon ngayon na may araw, no, Ri? Yan, no? May araw, hindi na gloomy. So first time ko nakita ang araw dito sa Taiwan in 3 days. So let's go to their MRT station. Ubusin natin yung credits na aming parang easy card. They call it their yo-yo card. So let's go! Andito na kami sa may Taipei Bridge Station. Actually, it's already a Monday here. So, medyo nakikita na namin yung mga tao pumapasok na sa opisina, siguro sa trabaho. Busy na siya. So, let's see kung ano itsura ng train station ng medyo busy sila. And it's currently 8 o'clock in the morning. So, for sure, rush hour to. As always sa mga escalator, you stand on the right, walk on the left. Always. So, we're here in Taipei Bridge Station. We have to go to dito, Nanxijiao. Going to the Qiaotao. Okay. Grabe, ipit na ipit kaming dalawa. Hindi ko na na-videoan. Sobrang ipit talaga kami. So, tingin. The Qiaotao Station. And then from here maglalakad na lang kami. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan yung lalakarin, pero we're gonna use Google Navigation para mas madali. Parang na-achieve natin yung sinasabi natin, get lost. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari. Nag-research talaga ako gabi. Ayan, sinulat ko pa kung saan pupunta. Yung National Taiwan Museum opens tomorrow daw at 9:30. Yung isa namang National Museum of History closed down. So, alam ko may museum dito na malapit pero sabi nga close. So, ayun, achieve natin yung get close. So, nawawala na tayo. So, hindi na natin mapupuntahan yun. I guess we have to go now to Taipei Zoo. Lakad. So, sakay ulit tayo ng train. Maraming transfer to. You just have to follow the color coding nung train. Ayun yung na-research ko kagabi. Yeah, people right now are busy. Hindi ganito yung scenario dito nung mga nakaraang araw. There are a lot of people walking really quick. So you have to respect people who are walking fast, especially in the escalator. You can't stand on the right. You always give way to people who are in a rush. So again, you stand on the right, you walk on the left. Just like that. So ayan yung entrance ng Taipei Zoo. I think they are already open. Tignan lang natin kung paano magbabayad. I think napanood ko kasi one time na pwede kang magbayad using your Easy Card. Hindi naman, cash na lang ay bayad natin. So let's see how it works.
So including student not studying in Taiwan. Please buy an adult ticket.
So we pay
Children under 6 are
Yo-Yo card. Oh, just tap. Yes. So we just have to tap.
票跟你想好一人一张，跟捷运站差不多，各刷各的。
Okay, so their entrance is 60 NTD, so that's roughly 110 pesos. Mura na, no? Okay, mura. Wow, so as you can see, ayan ang sarap ng araw.
Yun na lang ulit akong araw.
Oo, kasi medyo ilang araw na kaming hindi naaarawan. So let's explore Taiwan Zoo. So check natin yung visitor center. Tingnan natin kung ano munang, kung meron ba silang mga map or what. 7-Eleven. So let's get, ayun, there's an English map. Re. Meron daw dito. Asan yung deal? Parang wala naman. Wala ano?
Wala akong makita.
Doon, sige, tingnan natin doon. Baka meron. Wow. Ganda ng horns. Ayun pa, Iri, yung dalawa.
Ay!
Ilan sila? Tatlo. Yung dalawang maliit, isang malaki. Siguro may nanay tatay ito. Ha? Oh.
But I would say right now the water is too cold.
Monkeys, oh. Hey guys. Oh wow.
Taiwan cherry.
Pula-pula ng mukha nila. Lamig ang mukha. Sorry. So here are they close up. And apat sila. Ay, 5. Oh.
Ayun, cute sila yung katawan.
Ay, nagkukutuhan sila. Oh.
Cute.
Yung iba nakahiga lang. Ilan sila? 5? Hey. Grabe. Halos exclusive lang namin tong Taipei Zoo. As in, walang katao-tao. I guess it's because Monday ngayon.
Pero may mga naka-field trip.
Pero may mga nag-field trip na. Paunti-unti lang.
Oh my gosh! Nabi!
You can't touch them. One thing we noticed, maraming apple sila dito. No, apple and pineapple. Ayan o, tignan mo. So they feed on apples. Ayun o, may ano eh. May butterfly o, ayan o. Mukha lang siyang leaf pero butterfly yan. Wow. So ito nga yung leaf butterfly. Mukha lang silang dahon, no? Pero mga butterfly sila. Galing. Okay, so kailangan ko lang konting pahinga kasi sakit na naman yung tuhod ko. I don't think na maiikot natin ito the whole day. So I guess let's just go dun sa mga important na animals. Ito, politicians. Ay, sorry. Mga animal daw eh. Politicians ang kalagay dito. Hindi, joke lang.
Si ano, named up.
Hoy, ayoko magbanggit. Baka gusto ko naman.
Cancelled.
Panda. May giraffe. It's okay. Typical Asian elephant. So I think let's just go. Ayun, mga doon banda. So one thing we have to see here, there's a koala. It's my first time seeing a koala. Akala ko sa Australia lang meron yan. Ayun o. Saan umarap siya? Ayun o, koala bear. Ayun, may dalawa pa. Ay, ayun. Wow. Ayun.
他的脚在抓痒。
Be quiet now. Because I think they're yeah, parang nocturnal sila. So, meron ding panda. Ayaw lang magpakita. Isa lang siya. Parang baby pa ako. Nandun sa gilid, oh. Ay. Ay. Ayun, cute. Makain ng bamboo. So, ayun, meron pang panda dito. Ayun, natutulog siya. You know. Let's see. Ayun. Beshi, gising na Beshi. Ayun, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan siya. So, we're in their tropical rainforest. Rinig nyo yun? Hindi namin alam saan nagagaling yung sound. Hanapin natin. Oh. Dito galing yung tunog eh. Oh. Dito galing yung tunog. Ah, ayan. Mga ano. Mga monkeys. Oh. Ayun, 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 ayun. Ayun. Ayun, mga monkeys. Oh my God, di ba tatalon dito yan? Okay, so after a couple of well, we've seen a couple of animals na din naman. Masyadong malaki yung Taipei Zoo para ikutin namin, and syempre we still have a day to spend walking and pagod na kami. So instead of we have to make some wise decision. Do we continue walking here and then get tired and just be in one place today, or cut this one short and go to the next one so we can a lot more time in going to other places. So nag-decide kami na we'll just move on now to the next sayang lang may mga iba kaming hindi nakita yung white rhino, pero okay lang. At least, marami namang hayop talaga sa Pilipinas. And sa bahay pa lang namin eh. Daming hayop. De, joke lang. May koala rin naman tayo nakita. So, we'll now go to Maokong Gondola. Yan. Yun yung cable car. So, ayan. So, Maokong Gondola. So, katabi lang ng Taipei Zoo ang Maokong Gondola. So, onting lakad lang. And then, ayun. Merong 3 station yung Maokong Gondola. If you go down to 1 station, that's considered as 1 stop already. So, I'm thinking of going either directly na sa pinakadulo or let's put 1 stop each tapos pabalik. So, I don't know. Let's see. Diyos ko, buti na lang tinigil natin yung lakad sa Taipei Zoo kasi matinding lakad din yung, although magkatabi lang yung Maokong at saka yung Taipei Zoo. Medyo malayo-layo yung lakad din. Okay, so we're here in Maokong Gondola and we have a disaster to reveal. So it's Monday today. The Maokong Gondola is closed on Monday for general maintenance except for national holiday in first Monday of every month. So it's freaking closed today. What the freaking fuck. Okay. Sana alam. Shit. What the fuck? So, teka lang, upo lang kami. Nakapagod. So it's closed today. So I guess we'll just go to the Longshan Temple and then after that we don't know where to go now. Well, obviously there should be a lot of places to go to naman. Pero magre-research pa kami. So nakapagod. Para kaming mga nalugi. Kasi nakapagod talaga. Tapos I'm kind of expecting the gondola is open. Siyempre, isa rin yung gusto ko talagang puntahan dito. Although, nakapag-cable car na rin naman tayo sa, sa iba-ibang lugar, iba-ibang bansa. So, siyempre, I wanted to try the gondola here and see the area. I don't know, we'll go Longshan Temple. Tapos, meron sila dito sinasabing Elephant Mountain. Is that what it's called? Para siyang, well, you go there tapos paakyat, tapos you could see the view, makikita mo yung Taipei 101. Ayun. I wanted to see an elevated bird's eye view ng buong city, but we'll go to Longshan Temple first and then rest for a bit. Hi, so ayun, medyo napagod na kami, pero you know what? It's really not a bad thing at all. One thing about traveling is, you expect unexpected things to happen. And when you find yourself stuck and confused with whatever change or changes that will arise, well, you just have to look for another place to go, right? Or another thing to do. You should... Hindi naman. Nakakapagod, pero let's just enjoy being lost and still make it a great day. Grabe, pagod ako doon. So lipat tayo ng Green Line. So may suggestion yung friend ko na pumunta na lang kami ng Tamsui after namin mag Longshan Temple. So ayun, let's see kung kayanin. We had to stop and get a quick bite sa mga siopaw and siomai stand. Kasi medyo nakakapagod na talaga. Kaya muna tayo ng konting pinilit ko yung siomai, malamig pa rin. It's okay. Thank you. Pinilit ko yung siomai kasi malamig. Malamig pa rin yung loob. Pero okay lang. Yeah. So, bago kami mag Longshan Temple, we decided to drop by Ximending. Total lunch time na naman. Doon kami official nakakain. At busy. Sobra busy ang station nila. So, dito na kami. Suddenly, uminit. Oh, but look at this place. Nike. Oh shit, may Nike. Under Armour pa. Siguro kaya tayo dito dinala kasi may purpose tayo. Well, galing na kami dito nung nakaraan. Pero feeling namin kasi marami pa rin kami hindi na-explore. So, we'll just, for now, eat here in Ximending and then maybe shop a bit. So, kaya, let's go. Let's go. Nandito naman sila. So, let's just look for a place where we can eat. Yun muna. Siguro para magkaroon tayo ng lakas kasi wala, parehas na tayo nangihina eh. Kaya, ito siya sa umaga. So, ayan, Ximending kami. We found ourselves in a place where we can order soup like dumpling soup, mga wonton soup, mga paborito ko yung palagi ko kinakain din sa Hong Kong. Nagdala ko ng jacket kasi medyo uminit. Babasa rin kilikili. Yan, so finally dumating ang aming order. Inaantay lang namin yung iba pang dumpling. So let's eat guys. See you in a bit. Let's eat. Ayun na, as always. Dumating na yung complete order namin. Sobrang dami. Tignan mo yung background riyan, oh, aesthetic. So, yung wonton soup, medyo walang lasa. So talagang, I don't know, wala talagang lasa. But, surprisingly, the cabbage, cabbage dumpling. Sobrang sarap. Grabe. Cabbage siya. This one to the beef dumpling, it's good, but the cabbage is a lot better. Nakabawi yung cabbage. Good job, sarap. So, we're done eating. Medyo ikot-ikot lang muna konti sa area. See kung may mabibili. Kung wala, we'll go now to Longshan Temple.